Okay, here we go. We're doing Mechabellum, Mech Wars. We got Sledgehammers, which are on the bottom of the screen. Those are tanks, versus steel balls. Let's see who's going to win. Both units cost 200. And in round one, the steel balls beat them fairly easy. The purpose of these videos is to teach you which unit kills which unit, so you might have more fun in the game. We've been talking about making mistakes, throughout our entire lives, messing up, failing. I remember I was in the championship baseball game. I was playing second base, and this was the championship game. And there was a pop-up right to me, and I dropped the ball. A pop-up to second base, I dropped the ball. Now listen to this. A little bit later in the same game, as we're watching the steel balls dominate the Sledgehammers. And by the way, don't think the Sledgehammers are junk. They're not. The Sledgehammers are a good, solid, cheap tank. But the steel balls are doing very good so far. Later on in the game, I was at second base. They hit the ball to the shortstop. We had an easy double play, and I dropped the ball. I dropped the ball on the double play and made a huge mistake. Hey everybody, could I please ask you a favor? If you don't mind, scroll down below, click our subscribe button, because we could really use your help. Thank you very much. Now, if you're a human being, I'm sure you've made the same mistakes, failures, mess-ups, and embarrassing things happen to you too. Here we go, third battle. The Sledgehammer's doing a tiny bit better. Okay, the steel balls dominated the Sledgehammers. So this is what we're gonna do. Let's upgrade both units completely. Remember, these upgrades are unfair. These are my upgrades that I chose for them. You might choose different upgrades according to your play style. As we watch this last fight, let's upgrade the Sledgehammers, the steel balls all the way. And as you can see, I'm trying to make every fight as fair as possible. They're fully upgraded. Let's see if that makes any difference at all now. So here's a question I have for you to think about. We've made mistakes our entire lives, non-stop. Every week we're making mistakes, if not every day. Looking at the fight, the steel balls are doing very well, it looks like. Yeah. If your enemy is building Sledgehammers, you could go steel balls if you want to. They're the same cost and an excellent counter. Now here's my question to you as we finish up this matchup. Do we really make mistakes? Are we really actually making mistakes in our lives? Or is it possible something else is actually happening? Give that some thought for a few months.